Okay, in this tutorial we're going to draw Little Lulu from 1935 comic strip character till 1944. Might need some tape, maybe I use the back side of this one. So for Little Lulu, let's zoom in here. Move it over. Focus, something. Alright, so Little Lulu, again, every character I start with a circle, and then I cross here, here. She has this pointy nose, like so. And she has a smile here. I call this like a smile line, like a little line like that. And she has these round or oval eyes, like so. I had to turn the light down a little so I don't even have this light on either. Let's give you some light. There we go, much better. Now I can actually see. And right in here, I'm going to give her, even though this wasn't in the comic strip, I'll give her a little bit of catch light. And we'll go over here and do the same thing. Oval eyes. Next, give her eyebrows. Like so. Next, you want to wrap her face around. Well, she does have her arms coming out. She's kind of in this tough pose. Do that. And we'll start wrapping her face around. So something like that. Her hair is probably going to be the most challenging. It's kind of wavy like this. And then she has a kind of a curl up there. We'll have a little this like that. We'll have this like that. So it's kind of like two curls like that. And then she's wearing this like little beret in the back here. It looks like this. And then there's a little circle right there. This would be red. We're not coloring any of these. Maybe later in the courses. And then this back side would go like that. And then she has all these, like, her hair is going to come down like right around here, but it's kind of like this. And then right around here, she's got these, like, kind of comes in like that, which is kind of odd, but that's how they wanted to make Little Lulu. And then right on this back side, you would have more of these little curls, kind of like that. And then she got 3 of these going on. So you can make them like this if you want. That's kind of how I'm going to go with them. And then her shoulders here is going to curve right here. And then right in this area, this is when it's going to come up. And then you're going to go up, make a point there. And then connect her arm here, and she's got her fingers coming over the side here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then she got a little area here. That's her other arm. So, and then she got her leg coming down. We'll do 1. We'll leave a space here, there. She got her socks here, and she's got a curved, this is how they drew her feet. And then she's got a foot here. And she's got a little foot there. And that's it. Little Lulu drawn in under 5 minutes. If we're going to take a little blend to this, we could. If you want to take a little blend, her hair is... I did kind of make her face a little bit bigger, but that's fine. We'll blend all this in. And blend her hair. This is all black. Her hair is black. Blend all this in. She's kind of a simple character. Not much to her. Again, these are the days in the comics where they had to draw these a few times in the panels and stuff. But it was all in a bigger panel, and then they shrunk it down for the newspaper. That's how they did that. So they weren't drawing very small. People think that they're drawing very tiny, and they weren't. They had a whole big storyboard. Okay. I love the binging noise when I'm trying to do this, though. That's the best. Alright, here we go. And then I do that, so that kind of makes it look like she's standing right there on the paper. Anyways, we'll sign this. That's 26 here. Boom, done. If you guys like this, be sure to check out my Udemy. Just search Jayson Lecuyer, Jayson, and Lecuyer. I'll put the link in the description of this video. If you want to join more courses on how to draw, this is our Little Lulu. We did Lilo was the last one. So you can go around and kind of add different things after you kind of get the base down. But if you remember this character, leave it in the comments as well. This was before my time, 1935 to 1944. All right, there you go. There's Little Lulu.